Hey folks, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Nick Wolf. I'm the Director of Career Services here for FSB. I also teach in the School of Business. I know many of you have had my class and so probably have this LinkedIn information, but I want to make sure that I want to get this out to you. Dr. Hogelet had some specific things that she wanted me to cover with you. And so we're going to jump right into that so you don't have to watch this too long. I'm going to share my screen really quick. And let's just start here. So the first thing she wants you to do is set up a profile. So to set up a profile on LinkedIn, it's pretty easy. I'm assuming that most of you already have this. If not, not a big deal. You're gonna go into linkedin.com. It'll prompt you to set up a profile. You set up the profile and it's gonna walk you through the steps of what you can input into LinkedIn. And so I'll show you all that stuff. But when you get to it, it should basically look like this. This is my profile. As you can see, I've got a background here. You can now implement that. Really, the big things are a professional headshot. Professional is a loose term. I see a lot more people leaning more towards the casual. So just a good picture of you. And then here's a big thing, this title part right here where it says Director Career Services and Faculty. Have something in there other than just student at Point Loma Nazarene University. Have in there, even if it's just accounting student or finance student, or maybe it's a finance student aspiring to get into the wealth management industry. Something specific. Don't generalize this. What you're hoping for is people to go out and find you. Okay. And so this is really what this should look like. I actually have a checklist here that you can access. I'm going to move this really quick. You can access this through LinkedIn University. So if you go to LinkedIn or university.linkedin.com, you'll find this LinkedIn profile checklist. And this basically gives you all the things that you need to put in your LinkedIn. Your photo, your headline, right? That's there right there. A summary. What the summary is about, it's an opportunity for you to incorporate keywords into your profile. The more keywords you have specific to your business discipline, the easier it is going to be for HR folks, recruiters, hiring managers to find you. So you want to find as many opportunities within your profile to put in marketing or accounting or Tableau or Excel pivot tables. Whatever you're skilled at, whatever your discipline is, you want to make sure that's in that. So the summary is a good spot to do that. The next thing you're doing is you're going to input your experience. This should just be your resume. I know right now in Dr. Hogelet's class, creating your resume as well, you just want to basically populate this experience section with your resume. Okay, so here, like, it's a venture capital internship at this company. And then give us details of what you actually did, not just the task, but how you added value. So if it was, created new user database, which resulted in better understanding of customer usage, right? So give us the task, but then also give us why they had you do that. What was the purpose behind it? What value did it add? So you should be looking at that for your resume as well. Specific organizations you belong to, that is a really important key. So it could be any of the clubs on campus, anything like that. Education is going to be next, right? It should be Point Loma Nazarene University. You don't need your high school on there. This is a big one, volunteer experience and causes. That's, things you care about, volunteer work you've done. That's extremely important. The other one that's really important is your skills and expertise. Make sure you put all of your skills and expertise in there. Again, Excel, Tableau, pivot tables, marketing, Google Analytics, financial statement analysis, financial statement preparation, any of those things, general business management, all of those things are the things that you want going into that skills section. Again, this is a place where recruiters, hiring managers are going to be able to find you, okay? Honors and awards is a big one. Courses, specific courses you've taken, specific projects you've worked on, recommendations, we can look deeper into that. If you want to talk about recommendations, you can definitely set an appointment with me. But right now, this is a great checklist. Again, university.linkedin.com really outlines exactly what your LinkedIn profile should look like. Okay, let's jump back into here. Once you've developed your profile, a couple of things that you're going to want to do. One, I love having my unique URL. So what you do is you go up here, you edit your public URL, and right here, it says edit, customize it. And so here's mine right here, linkedin.com/in, Nick Wolf, FSB, and so for Maine School of Business. And so you can make it, you can edit it to whatever you want it to be. And so it's a really easy thing to do to make yourself stand out when you put this on your resume. And so make sure you customize your URL. And again, if you have questions with that, just let me know. The other thing that Professor Hogelet wanted you to do, Dr. Hogelet wanted you to do, was to connect with her. I'd also like for you to connect with me. So what you're going to do is once your profile's set, and here's kind of what it should look like, probably not as much as this because I've got a lot of experience, but it should look something like this. Okay. Once you've completed the profile, here's what you want to do. You want to go up to the search here and you just want to type in Kim. Let's see if it comes up. There it is, Kim Hogelet, right there. Now, I am already connected to Dr. Hogelet. So, but what it will do, it will ask you, it will say connect. Okay, let me find somebody that will, let's see here. We're just going to type in Joe Smith. Lots of Joseph Smiths. So Joe Smith and I aren't connected. So I'm going to click connect, and it'll ask me if I want to add a personal note. And the answer to that is always yes. So you're going to connect, click connect with Dr. Hogelet. Then you're going to add a personal note, and you're just going to say, Dr. Hogelet, thanks for connecting with me. I wanted to add you to my LinkedIn network. Thanks so much. That's it. So something short and sweet. But you definitely, every time you connect with somebody, you want to add that personal note. Same thing with me. When you connect with me, if we're not already connected, which we should be, you're going to just click connect and add a personal note. Okay. So make sure when you're done creating your profile, connect with Dr. Hogelet, connect with myself. Okay. The other thing I want to make sure you understand, if you have any questions, please feel free to just let me know. I'm more than happy to set a one-on-one appointment with you to go through your LinkedIn and refine it as it needs to be refined. So, okay. Last thing she wants you to do, or she would like for me to show you. One of the things that I get every year is I get students coming to me saying, hey, do you know anybody for informational interviews, or do you know anybody that has that could use me as an intern? And usually I will accommodate and try and help students as much as possible, when in fact you really should be trying to help yourself. Business people want to see business students networking. They want to see that they have the ability to reach out to individuals, to network, to connect with. And it's a really important skill you have to start to develop early. And I think really this is probably the best way. Anytime you come to me and say, Nick, do you know anybody? The first question I'm going to ask you is, have you connected with any alumni on LinkedIn? And a lot of students will say, well, I don't know how to do that. So I'm going to show you right now how to do that. What you're going to do is go into the search bar here again, and you're going to type in Point Loma Nazarene University, and it pops up right there. Okay. And this is the university LinkedIn page. Okay. What's going to happen here is it'll pop up here, and it gives you all sorts of tabs you can click on. You can click on different jobs here at Point Loma, different posts. What I'd like you to do is click on alumni. And as you can see here, Point Loma has about 25,000 alumni on yeah, about 24,000 alumni on LinkedIn. And you can search for them, you know, in a couple of different ways. One, where they live, where they work, what they currently do, what job they do, what they studied, what they're skilled at, and maybe how you're connected. What I would suggest is, first of all, if you're looking to do informational interviews, connect with people here in San Diego. It's probably just a lot easier. So if I were to connect with somebody here in San Diego, and I'm a marketing student, So right now there's 9,400 student alumni on LinkedIn, and I'm a marketing student. I want to connect with everybody who is in marketing. There are 350 people on LinkedIn who are alumni in San Diego who are working in marketing, and they work at Scripps, Raindrop, Power, LPL, AT&T, Tenuity, Quidel, Intuit, you know, all these companies. And you can just go right through here and start to look for people and go, okay, well, where are the people that I want to connect? Who are the people I want to connect with? And so here, Haley's, marketing and sales, Hannah Hunt, marketing associate. And what you want to do is just connect with them. Okay. Let's see here, freelance, senior social media manager, marketing manager. So we've got all these marketing folks that they're alumni. So that means they're what we consider warm connections, and you should be able to reach directly out to them and say, you know, again, write them a personalized note saying, you know, Sophie Proctor, Sophie, my name is Nick Wolf. I'm a student here at Point Loma. You know, I'm a majoring in marketing. I'm really interested in connecting with folks in the marketing world, looking to do some informational interviews. Wanted to see if you might have time to grab a cup of coffee or jump on a Zoom call. That's it. Super simple, super warm. And Sophie will reach back out and go, of course, you know, absolutely, whatever I can do. And so that's one way that you can connect. I can always go up here also and say, okay, I want to work with somebody at Tenuity. Tenuity is a company I'm really interested in. And so we go down here and we go, okay, Megan James. So Megan is one of our former alums. She loves connecting with Point Loma students. And so maybe you reach out to her and say, Megan, my name is Nick Wolf. I'm a student at Point Loma, looking to connect with marketing folks. I saw your profile. You work at Tenuity. It's one of my target companies. I've heard great things about the organization. Would love to talk to you about your time there. Super simple, folks. This is nothing hard. And again, all of these people were once in your shoes, and so they understand. And so make sure that you're connecting with our alumni, okay? One last thing I want to show you. So say you're really interested in specific companies and you want to do informational interviews with people in different companies. So what you can also do is you can also do a keyword search. I'm going to get rid of marketing here and just go to San Diego, and you're going to do a keyword search of people who work at companies. So I want to look for people who work at a company called Viasat. So I type in Viasat, I hit enter, and anybody that works at Viasat will pop up. And so we scroll down and we see there's 42 individuals, 25 individuals that work at Viasat, 42 that have worked at Viasat. And I can just scroll down and go, let's see, who do I want to, who looks like a friendly face? Oh my God, Ali Mearsman is an amazing alum who loves connecting with our students. She's currently the university recruiter for Viasat. Okay, so you connect with her. Ali, my name is Nick Wolf. I'm really interested in opportunities at Viasat. I've heard great things about the organization. I'm a finance student graduating in the spring of 2024. Would love to talk to you about, you know, the company and what opportunities might be out there. Okay, Danielle is another one. Tyler Matson's working in finance. Connect with him if you're in finance. If you're in marketing, there's people here who are in marketing. Okay, lots of individuals who are at this company that are more than willing to connect with you and have an informational interview. And potentially, if you do it right, might be a champion for you if you're looking to apply there, and actually maybe walk your resume up to the hiring manager and give you a vote of confidence. So that's how you connect with folks on LinkedIn. Again, go into the Point Loma Nazarene alumni page or university page, click on alumni and start searching, start connecting, and do some work up front on your own. If you're still having troubles, then feel free to come to me. Or if you're looking for suggestions of companies, feel free to come to me, and then I'm more than happy to help you. But take the initiative yourself, okay? So 3 things: create your profile. If you have issues with your profile or you wanna meet with me to tighten it up, come meet with me. We'll get it all tightened up, get it going. The next thing you need to do is connect with Dr. Hogelet and connect with me, okay? 3rd thing you need to do is start looking for alumni that you can connect with on LinkedIn that can help you with your informational interviews and your internship searches. So if you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out to me. I'm a resource. I'm here. I've been using LinkedIn since 2003. I know a lot of different little tricks you can use to connect with people, and I want to make sure that you're able to do that. So good luck with that. If you have questions, let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you out.